Hi, this is Akkaz. In this video, you will learn about aggregate function. This function returns a single value of aggregated calculation of a function defined in its first argument. It was introduced in Microsoft Excel 2010, so if you are using older version, it will not be available. It is like an upgraded function of older subtotal function with 19 functions and 6 behaviors. Its first 11 functions are same as subtotal and its first 13 functions required 3 arguments and remaining 6 functions required 4 arguments. It has control over ignoring errors as well and can handle array functions without the press of Ctrl Alt Enter. There are 8 different behaviors from option 0 to 7 which you can use in second argument. Let's see what are they. The first one is represented with 0. If subtotal and aggregate functions are available in your selected range, it will ignore it. At option 1, if your range have hidden rows or subtotal or aggregate functions, it will ignore it. Option 2, if your range have error values, subtotal and aggregate functions, it will ignore it. Third option, ignore hidden rows, error values, and subtotal and aggregate functions. Fourth option, ignore nothing. Fifth option, if you want only to ignore hidden rows. Sixth option, if you want to ignore only error values. Seventh option, ignore hidden rows and error values. I personally prefer third option as it has everything. Hidden rows, error values, nested subtotals and aggregate functions. If you want to learn more about these aggregated functions, please check my tutorials links in the description of this video. Let's jump into the practical and exercises. Let's see how to ignore subtotals. If we use simple sum function, it is calculating subtotals as well and duplicating the result. Let's use aggregate function. For total, use 9, comma. Now we have different behaviors. Ignore nested subtotal and aggregate functions. This is our required behavior, comma. Now we need to give array. This is our correct total after ignoring subtotals. Let's see how to ignore errors. First, we will see how is sum behaving. It is not calculating due to error value. Now let's use aggregate function. 9, comma, ignore errors. 6, comma, range. Now we got our total value by ignoring errors. Let's see how to ignore hidden rows. First check sum. Now use aggregate function. Now we will use number 3. It looks more powerful. Ignore hidden rows, error values and subtotals. Now we will give array, enter. Let's hide synth. See, the total value is now changed, whereas some have no impact. I'm sure this video is easily understandable, but if you have any query, please feel free to write in comments. If this video is beneficial for you, please hit like button and please subscribe my channel if not yet. Thank you.